it's Nicole. In this video, I'll walk you through preparation and assembly using the Cricut card mat 2x2. I'll be working with this ready-to-make insert birthday card. Let's start with placing the insert cards on the mat. Peel the protective covers away and set them aside. Make sure you peel both covers even if you're only making one card. Starting with the card in the top left corner, we'll open the pre-folded card and slide the back of the card through the slit of the card mat. Keep the card flush against the top of the card slot and with the fold tight against the edge. Smooth the top of the card down evenly against the card mat. Repeat with any additional cards, making sure to match the placement of the cards to the cut preview screen. When everything looks correct, click Continue. Connect to your machine and select your material cut settings. In this case, we will browse all materials and select Insert Card Cardstock. Follow the on-screen prompts for loading your pen if applicable. Place the card mat under the tabs and up against the rollers, but don't press the load button yet. Move your star wheels to the middle of the bar so that they are aligned with the center of the card mat. This will ensure that the star wheels hold down the mat, but don't create any unwanted marks on your cards. Load the card mat and press the Go button. If your cards have multiple pen colors in the design, you will be prompted to switch those out. Otherwise, the machine will automatically go from drawing to cutting. Once your cards are done, unload your card mat and gently peel the top of the card away from the mat, using your fingers or a scraper tool. You can clean the card mat by scraping the cut pieces out toward the top and bottom edges. Replace the mat protective covers, shiny side down. Gently place the contrasting insert piece into the corner slits of the card. And you're done! The card kits and card mats make card making fast and fun.